Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Tribit Stormbox Blast. Now this speaker comes out next month, so as far as pricing and availability, I'll update y'all with that information as soon as it's released. Now this is a Tribit product, and according to their track record, I would assume that this speaker is going to be anywhere between $150 and $250. Now I was going to wait to review this until it comes out, but after yesterday's speaker wars, a lot of people want to know if you're not trying to spend Diamondbox or JBL Boombox money, which speaker should you get? The Motion Boom Plus or the Tribit Stormbox Blast? So I'm going to review this speaker, and then at the end, I'll do a quick versus, and we'll settle this once and for all. All right, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now this speaker has Bluetooth version 5.3. It's IPX7 water resistant. You got 90 watts of power, 32 LED lights. The battery life on this is 30 hours. You got true wireless stereo, so you can pair two of these together. And you got an app that'll let you change the EQ settings and play with the RGB lights. All right, so let's unbox it and see what it is. All right, so here's what you get in the box. You got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. And you got your plug. Now it's one of these kind. Now here's the speaker. Weighs about 12 pounds. Nice heavy duty material. On the front, you got metal over your speaker grill. You can see your two woofers, your two tweeters. Here's your RGB lights. Okay, you got a handle on the top. Little Tribit branding. Here's your buttons. So you got power, you got Bluetooth, you got your multifunctional, that's play and pause, skip and reverse tracks. You got volume up and down, your RGB lights, and your extra bass. Now let's see on the back. When you open up this flap. Okay, so you got your 3.5 auxiliary input for non-Bluetooth devices. Now, I forgot to mention, you do have a built-in power bank. So you got a USB Type-C out, okay, so you can charge your phone or your tablet. And this is your DC input. Now, on each side, see your passive radiators. Okay, those are going to be rumbling. On the bottom, you got 4 rubber stoppers. That's going to keep it in place. Okay, simple enough. Okay, so as usual, make sure you download and install the firmware update. All right, so now let's take a look at the app. It shows you your Bluetooth connection. You got a picture of your speaker, the name, and your battery percentage. Now, once you click on this, here's your lighting controls. So you can turn these on or off. And you got 2 different modes. So here's the first one. You got a few flashy effects, auto transition. And here's the second one. You're going to get that breathing effect. And it's going to cycle between all the RGB colors. Now, here's your EQ. So you got music, extra bass, classical, party, jazz, audiobook, or you could do a custom one. You also got volume controls, play and pause, skip and reverse tracks. All right, so now let's do a sound test. And on a side note, make sure you put your headphones on or watch this video using a quality system. Because if you're just using your phone, everything is going to sound the same. Now, one more thing. If you notice, it does have strobe lights in the woofers. Okay, I love that. Hashtag RGB life. All right, here we go. I'm going to start off at max volume. The EQ is set to music with extra bass. Here we go. Okay, hold up. Houston, we have a problem, okay? Now look, I know I just said the sound called Motion Boom was killing the game right now, especially for under $200. Depending on the price on this one, all right? If this one comes out at $200, it might be game over. Now I'm gonna have to do a side-by-side comparison, but I'm already loving this one. It sounds pretty similar to the Motion Boom Plus, but you got the RGB lights. Now, let's try another song. Okay, so far, fresh out of the box, this speaker is sick. Again, Soundcore and Tribit, two of the more less-known companies that produce high-quality headphones, earbuds, and speakers, and this is another hit right here. Now, I know what you're saying. This speaker sounds good, but what about two of them paired together? Let's find out. All right, so we got two StormBox Blasts paired together. Now, to sync them up, real simple. Just go to the first speaker, hold down the Bluetooth pairing button for 5 seconds, do the same thing on the second one, and it'll automatically connect. All right, here we go, max volume.
Yo, I got a question for you. How many times you knew I was checking for you? How many? Put it on the line, grab the weapon for you. For real, I was front line, I was repping for you. Trapper, came by myself, I was stepping for you. Trapper, turned the L to a lesson for you. Cash, turned one night to a blessing for you. You didn't think I'd do something special for you, but I wouldn't do nothing special unless it's for you. And that's the thing about it. And I can't sleep at night when I think about it. These niggas think they got it, but I really got it. These niggas think they profit, but I really profit. I done left the town, got it really poppin'. These niggas window shot when I'm really copping. I'm from the city where niggas be milli rockin'. I might pull up in 650s with silly options, but what's the mathematics? Would you still stick around if I ain't have cabbage? Would you come to my shows if I rapped average? Except on my flaws and my bad habits. Heal all my wounds from the backstabbings. And never be someone who would backstab me. Never. Ready for that ride in the black caddy. My son wants something, tell him ask daddy. He'll be mad happy, but I'm just trying to chill and twist the line. Catch stunts on my 745. Dropping crazy shorty queens. Just wanna see you and feel real. But if I
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the Tribit Stormbox Blast is insane. Now, two of these paired together, the only thing that can hurt this speaker is the price. If this speaker comes out for $200 or $250, it's gonna be game over. All right, this speaker sounds incredible. Now, I know what you're saying. What about the Motion Boom Plus? What about the Motion Boom Plus? Let's find out. All right, let's settle this debate right now. All right, so this is it. Soundcore Motion Boom Plus versus the Tribit Stormbox Blast. Now, I'm gonna start off with the champ, the Soundcore Motion Boom Plus. Here we go.
Yo, I got a question for you. How many times you knew I was checking for you? How many? Put it on the line, grab the weapon for you. For real, I was front line, I was repping for you. Trapper, came by myself, I was stepping for you. Trapper, turned the L to a lesson for you. Cash, turned one night to a blessing for you. You didn't think I'd do something special for you, but I wouldn't do nothing special unless it's for you. And that's the thing about it. And I can't sleep at night when I think about it. These niggas think they got it, but I really got it. These niggas think they profit, but I really profit. I done left the town, got it really poppin'. These niggas window shot when I'm really copping. I'm from the city where niggas be milli rockin'. I might pull up in 650s with silly options, but what's the mathematics? Would you still stick around if I ain't have cabbage? Would you come to my shows if I rapped average? Except on my flaws and my bad habits. Heal all my wounds from the backstabbings. And never be someone who would backstab me. Never. Ready for that ride in the black caddy. My son wants something, tell him ask daddy. He'll be mad happy, but I'm just trying to chill and twist the line. Catch.
Okay, here's the Stormbox Blast.
Trap. Yo, I got a question for you. How many times you knew I was checking for you? How many? Put it on the line, grab the weapon for you. Real. I was front line, I was repping for you. Trapper, came by myself, I was stepping for you. Trapper, turned the L to a lesson for you. Cash, turned one night to a blessing for you. You didn't think I'd do something special for you, but I wouldn't do nothing special unless it's for you. And that's the thing about it. And I can't sleep at night when I think about it. These niggas think they got it, but I really got it. These niggas think they profit, but I really profit. I done left the town, got it really poppin'. These niggas window shot when I'm really copping. I'm from the city where niggas be milli rockin'. I might pull up in 650s with silly options, but what's the mathematics? Would you still stick around if I ain't have cabbage? Would you come to my shows if I rapped average? Except on my flaws and my bad habits. Heal all my wounds from the backstabbers. And never be someone who would backstab me. Never. Ready for that ride in the black caddy. My son wants son, tell him ask daddy. He'll be mad happy, but I'm just trying to chill and twist the line.
Okay. Now, I would say this. Both of these speakers are insane. When it comes to volume, they're pretty much neck and neck. They get the same amount of loudness. But when it comes to the bass, ladies and gentlemen, I gotta go with the Tribit. The Tribit bass is a little bit more rich, it's a little bit more deep, and it's a little bit more clean. Now, both of these speakers are insane. Now, the only thing we gotta find out is the price on the Tribit. If the Tribit comes out for $200, it's game over. If it comes out for $250, it's still game over. I would say the Tribit can easily hold its own with the JBL Boombox 2. Easily. Okay? Now, one thing I do gotta mention, the Tribit is twice as heavy as the Motion Boom Plus. So if you're looking for a speaker that you gotta carry around all day, you want something that's a little bit lighter. Okay, so these are things that you gotta factor into your decision. Do you want RGB lights? Or do you want your speaker to be a little bit lighter? Do you want cleaner bass? Or do you want slightly louder volume? Now, both of these speakers have apps. Now, I got them both paired up to the same phone. Both of them have apps that you can customize the EQ settings. And we could go through this all day, changing the settings back and forth. But I got them on my optimal settings for both. And I would say the Tribit is a little bit better. Just a teeny bit. But still better in my opinion. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Tribit StormBox Blast a major go. This speaker sounds incredible. You got crystal clear highs and mids, deep, rich, clean bass, nice loud volume. You got your beat-driven LEDs, all right, hashtag RGB life. It's IPX7 water resistant, 30 hours worth of battery life, a built-in power bank, and a carrying handle, and the build quality. Personally, I like the build quality on this one better than the Motion Boom Plus. It doesn't feel as cheaply made. It has more of a heavy-duty feel to it. This is an all-around win. Now, Tribit, if y'all watching this video, if you release this speaker for 1 penny under $200, it's game over. Even at $250, this is still going to be a great deal. Now, if you release it for more than that, then you got to start thinking to yourself, all right, well, do I want to get this or do I want to get a JBL party box? So Tribit, keep this speaker under $250, and again, it's going to be game over. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.